On the bridge?
No, don't walk up the bridge. It's farther. No, not the wooden bridge. It's farther.
If you tighten the chin strap.
Good. Are we good?
I'm to mark it.
Huh?
I'm to mark it to be
Okay.
inspected.
Do I look a little weird in this?
No, you look normal. Why don't you wear that around every day?
That's the way all zipliners look.
Only if they're super extreme though, like you are.
Only thing going pro.
Were you playing games with us last night at the ball field?
I was on the zip line.
Oh. We handed out those sweet shirts last night. I thought
Oh
you-
no, this is from my cabin's
Goodie bag? Nice. Alright, we have another helmet that just became
I'm
available.
wearing two shirts. Dog, 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 dog.
Oh, well, letters in the front, letters in the front. There we go.
It's tight enough for the back.
Yes, it's tight.
Okay. She can probably get it, Annabelle.
Good. We can finish by noon.
Did you guys like nighttime zip?
We did. We were here last night to tan.
Yeah.
Did you guys get on?
We did.
Yeah, I got on 3 times.
Oh,
Well, I
okay,
guess
nice.
it's good that the cereals
There
didn't
was
have
this
hot
girl.
chocolate.
Chocolate put it on.
They're too heavy. Awesome, thank you
You
guys.
have to be 300 pounds to be too
We
heavy.
had it all lit up with a
With the
flashlight.
lantern.
Oh, it was nice. Great.
It's the best one is my set.
你唔翻去 cabin 揾個仔，佢唔會嚟㗎。
Oh
Oh, wow, that was
And my dad.
Squeeze check! And the fog even, I mean, I don't mind when it's foggy, you know, because it's still nice out there. Zip clear!
He's not fast enough. You're not fast enough.
Tuck your legs in so you can touch the pole.
No, he's not fast enough.
If you tuck your legs up, then you're.
Is that right? That's the secret? Oh,
Oh,
told us earlier. Can you?
It's hanging
can you
on
reach
the
pole?
leftmost hook and
No.
it's marked.
Unless they get a really short.
I'm just saying it's hanging there and it's
Oh,
marked
okay.
to be inspected.
Okay,
So,
I'll check the schedule and I'll tell whoever's working here in the afternoon the same thing.
I use the long leg. And so do you.
你話知我問佢點解冇？
We use the long leg.
咁差嘅，燈呢個 just 嘢嘅，not on top of things。你唔可以話用晒你先乜嘢噶嘛。
Next one, are you running now?
Who's up next?
好在你家姐冇嚟㗎。
Right size rope?
That's her
Yeah,
favorite
yeah.
part.
Away you go.
係咯。
Alright, you want to hold on to with your left hand? Hold on, hold on, hold on.